Ooh, I feel yummy. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Yummy, and today I'm doing nails. And I just ordered off of Amazon. I don't know how to say this, so I'm gonna show you. That right there. And it is the dip nail powder. I already did one because I was so excited and I wanted to try it, and I love it. So the colors that I picked was pink nectar, and then I have a glitter pink that I'm gonna do a little design, you know. And I already have it laid out with the instructions, and these are the other colors that it came with. So let me just read some of it. And I'm sorry if I'm like moving weird, my nail is drying. And I apologize if you hear somebody in the background, they're playing Fortnite. So the colors that it came with is I have clear. It came with, and I thought these were bigger. I should have read that was on me. Ooh, I have white. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I should do white too. Let's see. So I have white. I have cloud pink. I don't know if you could really tell. You can't tell the color from me just showing you because it looks different from when I put it on. Ooh. This is a mellow rose. And a candy pink. I imagine that to be bright. Don't want that right now. And then this is the glitter pink that I have. And then this is a glitter white. This one is a glitter white. And it comes with the little dipping tray. Now when I did it the first time on this nail, you could dip your tips in there. So if you want like a French tip type of thing, then I would use this. But because I want the whole nail the color, I'm just going to actually dip it in the thing. I'm not going to use this. So I'm glad I tested that out before. And it doesn't come with a brush, so you want to go ahead and make sure you have a little brush just to dust off the excess. And it does come with instructions of how to do it. And it comes with 4 polishes. This is the base. So you put that one on first. And it's a little blurry, I apologize. Then you have the activator. Then you have what's called the top. And then that's the last step. And then this one is just the extra one. I was reading the instructions trying to figure this out, and then it says it a little bit at the bottom. This is to clean your brushes. So when it gets a little too hard to use, you just put the original brush that comes with it in here, shake it for a little bit, and then it cleans it. And then in the meanwhile, if you're doing your nails, you can use the brush that it comes with as a substitute. So I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, anywho, we about to get started, and I apologize for the makeup. I was going with like, I think a drastic look, but I like it, but I hate it because it looks like I got a black eye. But some angles I'm like, okay, you kind of cute, and my hair is wild as me. So anyway, so first thing I'm gonna do is apply the base, and I'm trying to hurry up before these kids wake up. So, and you want to shape your nails. I didn't do any of that. I just wanted to put this polish on. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna try white. So you apply the base, then you dip it in the powder. Fuck. And I didn't open it. It's brand spanking new. All right, so now I'm about to dip it. Oh shoot, in the powder, and then you just dust the little excess off. Okay. All right, and then after you tap off the excess, you put the base back on. And then you dip it again. Okay, then you dip it, tap off the powder. I did that thing, you put the activator. So I'm just putting on the activator right now. And it looks so funky right now where I'm like, oh, I don't think I like the white, but let's see. And while you letting it dry, you're supposed to buff it out, you know, shape it. And I put too much on there. So, dang, maybe I should use the tray because, oh, shit, I'm making a mess. It is like super full, so it's making slightly a mess, but I'm just using my brush to sweep it out the way. And you let it dry for a little bit, you shape it. And while we on the subject, I bought these damn pants. I was supposed to make your booty look big. It didn't. It didn't work. It didn't work. Okay, now I'm gonna just apply this top coat. And I don't know why, but this white is looking like an off pink. And then you just let it air dry for a bit. And then it says complete. So air dry for 2 minutes. Can y'all see that? Does that look bad? It don't look bad. It don't look great. All right, this one I'm gonna use the sparkle pink, and let's try the tray. Maybe you gotta like pour a lot more so it can really get in there. Okay, so base. So I apply the base. I dip, dust off the stuff I don't want. Oh gosh, this is looking crazy, y'all. Okay, so wait. So apply the base again. And dip it again. And I'm actually gonna just tap off the extra stuff with my finger because I feel like the brush is so big, it's taking it off the nail because it's still kind of wet. Okay. See that? Oh no, get off me. Did a little better. Okay, I just need to go to the nail shop. Okay, oh, I'm not done. Let me not show you. So now we're gonna put the activator. Do your stuff. You know what though? I could picture this being like so freaking pretty on like acrylic, or like if I was a professional and I was like not sloppy with it. And it's the good hand. So when I do this, it's gonna be shaking and whatnot. And buff it out. This is my poor attempt to like buff it out. Even to get this off, you have to use like foil and acetone, and baby, it's probably just gonna be on there for a bit. Maybe I'll sneak off to the nail shop. Ooh, okay. God, this would look so pretty on acrylic, or like if I was a professional and I knew. Ooh, sticky. I just. Hold on, trying to smush it back on there. Okay. I like pull some off, and now I'm just smushing it on there. Then you put the top. And I'm guessing this like locks it all in. It seems so simple when somebody else is doing it. You know, you see any like, I can do that. But you shouldn't. But you shouldn't. You should just pay that person who trained for this. Pay that person that know what they doing. But you shouldn't do it. Just pay the person. But I'm gonna have fun with this kit. I wonder, can I do my toes? I'm gonna try it. And now I'm gonna use the pink nectar. What am I doing? Oh, the base. See, I'll be putting that base on like legit. Like, it is on there. Okay, now you're gonna dip the nail. And then you get all the. Oh, I think that did. Fuck. Damn. Smaller brush. Smaller brush. If you have a smaller brush, I think that would be better. Because now I'm wasting all my product. No, I'm not. I'm going to put it back in there. But I think a smaller brush would be better. So then you just buff it out again. What the heck? Silent Night. Yep. Now, this is my first time trying this, so again, disclosure. Not a professional. I'm just having fun with this. Just want to do my nails and try this kit out. Along with these pants that's supposed to make your booty look big, stomach tight. It didn't work. It didn't work out for me. And I'm like, dang, do I really not have no booty? Like, I thought I was pretty curvy. So then the activator, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I only dipped this sucker one time. Activator. Alright. Okay, so I put the activator on there. It says, fuck. I wasn't supposed to put the activator on that one. Base coat dip. I didn't dip it twice. Let me see. Man, this activator make your nail look like, it looks so pretty. Like, maybe Forget they steps. Shoot. I'm just kidding. And then I'm gonna dip it again. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm making a mess now. I wondered. See, I need clear instructions. Like, are you supposed to let it dry before you like go in with this or what? But because I messed up the light. Look at how we're looking. From a distance it look cool, right? Then you zoom up and it's like, ugh. Maybe I must have let it dry. Prepare the nail. Apply the base coat. Dip into color powder. Tap off access color. Repeat steps 2, 3, and 4. You would think that that's simple. That's clear. But it's not working out. It's not working out. Alright, my yummies. So as you guys know, the nails dipping thing did not work out for you, girl. It did not whatsoever. So I did have to change my method and get my nails done. Sneak peek. Now I did record my reaction to going to the nail shop because I have not been since quarantine broke out. Maybe even before then, to be honest. So I cannot wait for you guys to see my whole reaction and how I felt about it. But I just want to close it up. So for my new people, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification. Bitch kind of out of breath, but it's okay. And for the people that's been loyal to the soil, you know, continue to grow with me. Make sure you like, comment, share. I'm still in the giveaway because, again, once I reach 100 subscribers, you guys will get a free goodie, alpha female, or something custom to your liking. It just depends. So let me get this 100 subscribers, if not more, and that's what we're going to talk about next. All right, so see you guys.